So here's a little video tour of what our space looks like right now, just before Valentine's Day. I'm going to take you through and explain the different areas and what's been set up. So as families first walk in, we do have a little photo space. There is a space here to explore these materials. I've also placed books around all of the different places of our studio to encourage reading. We have some water play, just put fresh water. That's a bath drop there, so it'll change the color of the water. And I've also put some soap, some baby soap that smells like lavender and chamomile. You can see here even our snack table has some books. I have books on the high chairs. I've included some resources from Reggio Emilia, Italy to show the parents some of the learning that's happening there that has inspired my work. Also wanted you to see that I've added more plants to the studio. However, no matter what I try, I can't seem to keep hydrangeas alive. So if you've been following me for a while, I thought, okay, this time I'll get the hydrangeas that are potted. It's been one day and look, already. So I've decided I'm just not going to buy hydrangeas unless I can enjoy them for those first few hours. On this side, we're exploring with chalk drawings, and then the children can use water on top. It either erases or enhances the drawings or creations. Our little reading house and relaxation space. More books on the light table. Making our own Valentines here. I love the roses and the tulips, the combination of all the different colors. You can see here I had a late night work session, so I was working just in this little area with my laptop. I'll put that away before the programs start. And yes, I have cheesy Valentine's Day slideshows and music going on. Because if you know me, you know how much I love anything related to romance. Even though I know this is a really commercial holiday, it's still very sweet. Okay, so I'll take you through this side. Again, more books. Had a photo shoot yesterday with Laura. You can see some of the fun details that are still on the ground for the children to find, including these brand new scarves. Our kitchen space. Feels like home with the door. And then I'll take you through to this view so you can see what it feels like if you're standing in this room. Again, this is where I was working. And finally, our piano. So I'll take you through to the piano next. These are also new. I like the way they contrast from the gold.